Mm, Hello, my name is Abhishek Kale and today's date is 14 July 2021 and today's video topic is methods of string in Java. So we will discuss in details. Before that, I will explain what is string. In Java, string is the object which represents the sequence of the character values. In Java, we can create string with the help of three classes: string class, string buffer class, and string builder class. The java.lang string class is used to create the string object, and we can create string by two ways. First one is by using literals. Example: string s1 is equal to in double quote hinjewadi. By and sec- Another way is the by using new keyword. String s1 is equal to new string ch, and ch is the character array. Char array ch is equal to it contains the sequence of character like a comma b comma c. In this way we can create a string in the Java. String objects are immutable because we cannot change the content of the string object. That's why they are string objects are immutable. So now, methods of string. There are a lot of some methods. The string class provides a lot method to perform operations on the strings, uh, such as concat method, equal method, to uppercase method, to lowercase method, equals ignorance case, and etc. And now we will discuss each by each. So the first one is char at I. I stands for the index, and char at I method returns the character at specified index. The second one is the character. Second one is the to uppercase method. To uppercase method ret- uh, to uppercase method converts the given string into the uppercase letters, and to lowercase method converts the given string into the lowercase letter. Third one, so next method is the equal method. Equal method compares the given string to the current string on the basis of the content. In string object string in string object Equal method is used to compare the content, and in string buffer object equal method is used to reference comparison. This is the difference between the string object and the string object and string of buffer object. So the next method is the to char array. A to char array method converts the given string uh, into the char array, such as string s1 is equal to in double quote hinjewadi. Then the uh, char array ch is equal to string to array ch. And the next method is the replace method. The replace method returns a string by replacing the new replacing the old character to new character, or the sequence or character sequence to the new character sequence. uh, and There is another method is the character replace all method replaces the returns a string by replacing all the characters to the new character. And uh, there is a trim method. Trim method returns a string by trim, or by removing the white spaces before or the after the string. Equal equal So the next method is the length method returns the length of the given string. So next method is starts with method checks whether the string starts with the letters passed as argument, or the another string. And the another method is ends with method. checks whether the string ends with the given arguments letter or the another method. And there is one method is the compare method. Compare method compares the two strings on the basis of their content. This is all about the methods of string in Java. Thank you.